Special delivery. What's up, guys? We're back in the back cave here at Parker Performance, and we have some pretty big exciting news today. We have Valentine's Day presents for the RTR, courtesy of our friends at Longtube Headers. If you don't know, Longtube Headers is an amazing company. They are made and manufactured here in the United States of America. They're based out of Spartansburg, and we work with Steve Gellis over there, so shout out to Steve. We have got their X-Pipe and Longtube Headers for the RTR today. So let's get to unboxing this, Alex. What do you think? Let's see what they got packed in this one. I'm going to guess this has to be our X-Pipe. Check her out. So this is the X-Pipe from LTH, man. This has their patented Titan coating on it, which you'll see more of in the headers, and that's going to help dissipate heat. These are going to be real good for a real long time, so we're excited to pair that with the off-road catless long tubes. Alright, so before we move on, check it out. What you need to do when you get your package is you want to make sure you get all of the packing material out, because you're going to have some pretty important stuff inside there. Longtube sent us a sticker. Looks like maybe they're advertising for their headers, which we already bought. But most importantly is going to be the installation instructions. These are step-by-step, they're color. And if you look at this, the X-Pipe, there's some specificity here as to which side is the driver's and which side is the passenger's. And if you've not done these before, I think they outline it right about, yeah. Alright, so show them that. So you see the one with the kick, that shows the passenger side, whereas the one with the straight, that's the driver's side. So that's going to be important when you guys go to install this later. Alright, so the boxes are both taped and stapled. I just used a razor blade to get it open, but I had a pair of scissors here in the event that we needed to get through that too. Let's see what we've got. Now we ordered some Longtube swag, so that's included in this box here. Take two, camera died, back in action for you guys. Alright, so you saw the swag, right? Moving on, we have our Longtube extensions, right? Obviously this is going to connect to the end of the long tube. You've got your O2 here, and then this is going to connect with your 2.5-inch clamps like so to your X-Pipe or H-Pipe or whatever you're doing. We suggest the X-Pipe. Okay, so you've got one and two of those, again all Titan finished. This is a complete kit. There is no guesswork. It comes with all your clamps, all your hardware, your O2 extenders as needed. Now let's get to the good stuff. I'm so excited. Oh, Alex, you show. LTH. You see it back there. You can see it in reverse. It's so pretty. So one of the things is a lot of guys say like, oh, why am I going to spend good money on quality aftermarket headers? If you look up the cheap ones, one of the main issues is that they use a really thin flange, a really weak flange. That flange will warp and these guys will get a ton of leaks up against the cylinder head. That's not going to be an issue with the LTH product, okay? It's also got grooves here that are going to let you get in and out on bolts or studs. That's going to help you obviously with the installation. And again, this is all Titan finished. Comes in to the big collector here, 4-to-1. And this is again the ball and socket fitting for your extension. So you'll have no leaks. Everything will be copacetic and happy and gorgeous and beautiful.
Don't forget to mention
the O2 sensor placement. Yes. So a lot of guys will foul out their O2 sensors running E85. potentially this is a solution to that. So we will stay tuned. I haven't had any issues on my stock manifolds with burning up the O2 sensors, but we're obviously going to be running fully 85, and we may have another secret coming. Might be some boost coming. And so we will put these to the test. We'll see if that cures the defouling issue of the O2 sensors. And for those that don't know, that comes from the moisture in the E85. And when the car is sitting idle and the moisture has nowhere to go, the O2 sensor will wind up collecting that moisture. These things are extremely well packed, ton of packing material. If you have cats or dogs, probably make good toys. If you have kids, this box will make a good toy. Oh yeah, I love it. I am so hyped. I cannot wait to get these on the car, let that thing breathe, let that coyote tick be as loud as possible. I can't wait. Let's see. It's like a day in the gym, right? Whoa, yeah. All right, boys and girls, so we have our goodies. It is Valentine's Day for the RTR. Next up, we're gonna be doing an install video. Say a prayer, because that's gonna take a lot of curse words, a lot of patience. But Longtube Headers, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. March 23rd, Dyno Day for Parker Performance. Maybe we get to test these out and see what kind of power the car puts down. I don't know, stay tuned, we'll see. Replicate the way it was built on the factory side. So the first thing you're gonna do, actually when you get it, you're gonna have this retaining clip will be on here. You need